Amazon parrots are a group of medium to large-sized parrots from the genus Amazona. They are native to the Americas, particularly in regions ranging from South America to Mexico and the Caribbean. Known for their striking colors and remarkable vocal abilities, Amazon parrots are popular as pets and are admired for their intelligence and social nature. Appearance: Amazon parrots typically have bright green feathers, but they may also display vibrant patches of red, blue, yellow, or orange, depending on the species. They have sturdy beaks that are well suited for cracking seeds and nuts. Most species have a stocky build and a short tail. Size: they range from medium to large in size, typically 10 to 18 inches, 25 to 45 centimeters in length, including the tail. Vocalization: Amazon parrots are excellent mimics and can learn to replicate human speech and sounds. They are one of the best parrot species in terms of vocal ability. Their vocalization can include whistles, squawks, and a variety of words or phrases they've been trained to say. Intelligence: Amazon parrots are highly intelligent birds. They enjoy mental stimulation and learning new tricks. They can be trained to perform tasks and tricks, often requiring regular interaction and stimulation to keep them happy and engaged. Lifespan: in captivity, they can live for 40 to 60 years or more with proper care. Some have been known to live up to 80 years. Diet: in the wild, Amazon parrots feed on fruits, seeds, nuts, and vegetation. As pets, their diet should consist of high-quality pellets, fruits, vegetables, and occasional treats like nuts. Behavior: they are social birds that thrive on interaction with their human companions and other birds. Without sufficient attention, they can become bored, which may lead to destructive behavior or excessive screaming. Amazon parrots can be affectionate and enjoy physical contact, though their temperament can vary by species and individual personality. Some species can become territorial or aggressive, particularly during breeding season. Yellow-headed Amazon, Amazona orytrix. Known for its bright yellow head and excellent vocal abilities, one of the most popular pet Amazon parrots, blue-fronted Amazon, Amazona estiva, has distinctive blue feathers on its forehead and is known for being outgoing and playful. Lilac-crowned Amazon, Amazona finsky, known for its lilac-colored crown and green body. A quieter species, but still an excellent talker. Orange-winged Amazon, Amazona amazonica, displays orange feathers on its wings, typically visible during flight. Known for its curious and bold nature. Mealy Amazon, Amazona farinosa, one of the largest Amazon parrots with a green body and a powdery appearance. Generally calm and less aggressive than some other Amazon species. Conservation status: many species of Amazon parrots face threats in the wild due to habitat loss and illegal trapping for the pet trade. Some species, like the yellow-headed Amazon, are listed as endangered or vulnerable. Care tips for Amazon parrots: cage size: large enough for the bird to spread its wings fully and move around comfortably. Social interaction: daily interaction and mental stimulation are essential to prevent boredom. And behavioral problems. Diet: a balanced diet of pellets, fresh fruits, vegetables, and occasional seeds. Exercise: time outside the cage is important for physical health, allowing them to fly or climb. Training: positive reinforcement-based training helps to build trust and encourage good behavior. Amazon parrots are best suited for experienced bird owners due to their social needs and potential for loud vocalizations. They make loving companions when given the attention and care they require. Wild range: their range includes countries such as Brazil, Mexico, Colombia, Venezuela, the islands of the Caribbean, for example, Cuba, Jamaica, Puerto Rico, and other parts of Central America. Behavior in the wild: in their natural habitat, Amazon parrots are gregarious and live in flocks. They are typically seen flying in pairs or small groups, but larger flocks may form when roosting or feeding. Amazon parrots are monogamous birds, often forming lifelong pairs in the wild. During the breeding season, which varies by species, but often occurs during the spring, they become territorial and can exhibit aggressive behavior. Nesting. They nest in tree cavities or other hollow spaces. In captivity, they need nest boxes if breeding is intended. Clutch size. Females typically lay 2 to 5 eggs. Incubation. The eggs are incubated for about 25 to 30 days by the female. During this period, the male will bring food to the female. Fledging. Chicks fledge, leave the nest, at about 8 to 12 weeks old, though they continue to depend on their parents for some time afterward. In captivity, chicks must be hand-fed by experienced breeders to ensure proper socialization.